next, it's a beautiful raffia crossbody bag, a little bit of piping on the edge, really lovely neutral. That goes with everything in your wardrobe, £28. The boots are actually from Next, £46. I kind of love this because it's making Sheila's outfit very 60s, very retro, and because it is still chilly. It was 2 degrees when I woke up this morning, so I've gone for a boot with this look, but I hopefully, fingers crossed, in a couple of weeks she can switch that out for an open-toe sandal or a wedge, something like that. The earrings are really quite cool, if you can show us, maybe a close-up. They are resin from reserve.com, only £9.99, and really lovely little pop of lilac and our 2 little flowers in the middle. And then last but not least, the sunglasses, £15.99 from reserve.com. Can you pop them on for us? Let's have a look. And actually, it's sunny! So you can put, how cool! You can actually wear them today. Thank you, Sheila. You look amazing. You need to carry on and wear that all day. You look amazing. Bev is our hot pink babe today, bit of fuchsia. These trousers are from M&S. I'm impressed with M&S because they always do a petite, a regular and a long fit, so you can really get the cut that suits you and your shape and your height. They come in a size 6 to 24 and 4 different colours, but we love a bit of fuchsia.